Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a Facebook account on your laptop very easily and fast. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you go to Google Chrome and search Facebook. This is usually the website that pops up first and it's the one that we need. Make sure you click on it and then click on create new account. This page is about your personal infos, so your Facebook account is going to be more personalized. That is what you need to do. Just here type your first name, your surname, and your birthday. This is about your gender, and make sure here you put your mobile number or your email address. And here pick a password. Make sure the password is not very easy to be found, and also a password that you can remember. And once you finish, click on sign up. That is how you can create a Facebook account. If you have any questions, you can ask me. I can answer all of your questions in the comments. And if you think this video was helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.